Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to layer elements here in Canva. Let's begin. Layering elements in Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to create complex designs by stacking text, images, shapes, and other graphics on top of each other. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the existing design that you wanted, or maybe create a design that you want. In my case, I'm going to upload an image right here. Now, first element is this picture right here. Second element, go to the element section. You can use any of these like logos, frames, and videos. All right, go to videos right here. I'm gonna choose something like not a pro, like a free videos. Go to graphics, maybe use something like this one right here. And maybe another photo. Now, this is basically how you layer elements. If you click one element, you see there's going to be an option that says layer. You can send backward. This one, you can send it to at the back if you wanted. And you can stretch that. So it's like, it'll act as the background cover. This one, you can layer it to bring to front if you wanted. Right, so you can, this is the easiest way for you to stack all of the elements together. And of course, you can reposition them accordingly, depending on, of course, on your preferences and design that you wanted. All right, so let me just do that for now. And after that, all you're gonna do is, once you are happy with it, you might wanna click on the play button on the upper right corner, because layering elements in Canva is a process that involves using the position options, grouping elements, and adjusting their alignment. Of course, if you can master this technique, you can create a rich and multi-dimensional designs that capture the audience attention. All right. Once you're happy with it, all you're gonna do now is click the share button. You can download this as an PNG, MP4, JPEG, or if you want to send this to your team member, your client, or your multiple freelancers, you can do that by copying this link. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.